You'll need these two before you start. Hold the back panel first. Unscrew the screw. Unscrew the screw a little. Unscrew the bolt. Power off and remove the camera. Disconnect the cable. Remove the battery. Don't touch the center of the lens. Press the button to remove lens. Remove the lens from the existing camera. Don't touch the center of the lens. Connect the lens to the new camera. Insert the battery. Connect the cable. Attach the camera. Tighten bolt loosely. Turn on the camera. Center the camera while watching screen. Please refer to this image. Tighten the bolt firmly. Tighten the screw firmly.